Hello and welcome to New Parents in Training. So today I'm going to compare all three Baby Brezza's Formula Prep machines. So this one is the Formula Pro Wi-Fi, this one is the Formula Pro, and this one is Formula Pro Mini. Now the way I set it up is from the most expensive to the least expensive. The Wi-Fi version comes in at $300 retail. The middle one comes in at $230 retail, and the Mini comes in at $180 retail. I have done more detailed videos of all three individually before, so I put the video on top and you can go check them out. So today I'm not going to go through the accessory, how you set up the formula container, nor going through the buttons here. So if you want to see those, you can go check out those individual videos. All three of them works the same way. You put the milk powder in there, and then you put water in the water tank, and you select the correct powder setting, and then out comes the milk. A small disclaimer, because I don't have the same formula enough to cover all three machines. All three machines actually have three different kind of formula powders in there. Hence, you will see the powder setting for all three of them are a little bit different. This one is 4, this one setting at 6, and this one setting at 4. But all three of them have different powders. However, all the powders, they are fresh powders that just came out of the can. I just don't have enough for all three from the same brand. The first thing I wanted to test out, because all three of them make formulas, then we should dive in to see how well they actually do in terms of making formulas. I have here 4 ounces. Because this Mini can only take up to 4 ounces. Now they can take more, but I actually had to buy an accessory in order to accommodate taller bottles. So to be fair, I use all 4 ounces bottles, and then the setting is all for 4 ounces milk to come out. So anyway, let me try this real quick. Start. All three of them are finished, so let's see the result. For the Wi-Fi, as you can see, it's very well mixed in. There's no powder that I can see from the bottle itself. And the non-Wi-Fi version is also the same. However, for the Mini, so this is the result. As you can see, the powder are not well mixed into with the water. So yeah, that's one of the issue I ran into when I do the individual test. The Mini does not mix the formula well. Mind you, this machine are new, and hence it should work as straight out of the box. Now, from the get-go, I will tell you not to get the Baby Brezza Mini, because the only reason why you want to get one of this machine is to mix the formula well, but it failed to do so. Because of that result, I am not going to recommend anybody to get the Baby Brezza Mini. So I'm going to remove this from the comparison. So next, I'm just going to compare the regular Formula Pro versus the Wi-Fi version. All right, so now it's just down to these two, right? Essentially, they are exactly the same. But this black one has the function of Wi-Fi. So you can see this button here, and has more sensor. So if I remove the bottle, this light will go off. I do need to have a bottle here in order for it to actually run. But anyway, that's aside from the point. Now this one has an app function, but from the get-go, ever since I unboxed this, I was never able to get the app to work with this machine. Now let me just show you real quick what I mean by that. Now here's the app that's controlling this machine. Well, connected to this machine, it's not controlling it. So you can see if I remove this bottle, it was a bottle missing. Now if I put it back in, and that will go away. So in order for you actually use this app to control this machine, all the type of error message on top need to be clear in order for you to run it. Now I was unable to get rid of this refill water. Mind you, this is a brand new machine. I opened it up and it already has this issue. So someone at the quality control did not do this well enough, and something is off with the sensor. Now I look online, a lot of owners are actually having the same issue. I have water in the tank, but the refill water was never able to clear. Some owner mentioned that when they plug this into the power socket and have the water in there, eventually this arrow code will get clear. But my issue with this is, again, this is a $300 machine and it's a brand new machine that just came out of the box and it already has this weird issue with the sensor. Because of that, I would strongly suggest parents out there do not buy this machine either, because there's a huge price difference between the Wi-Fi versions versus the non-Wi-Fi. It was a $70 difference. So that's pretty big gap. With the Wi-Fi version, the app, I'm not able to get it run correctly, then there's no point of getting this either. So now, in conclusion, the only machine of the three I would recommend is the base model. So this one is actually really good. We haven't had any type of issue whatsoever with this machine. Now, again, with this type of machine that making formulas, there are some stuff that you need to be mindful of, such as the funnel. You need to wash after every 4 use. But the regular maintenance will keep this machine run as new. Also, lastly, I just want to mention all 3 machines we purchased ourselves. This is not a sponsored video. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.